Hi, my name is Danae Rubenzer, and I'm a proud graduate of the Institute of Naturopathic Wellness. The reason I ended up taking this course is because I was frustrated with my clients not getting any better with their health issues. I wanted to explore a more natural way to help them recover from some of the difficulties they were having with their health challenges. The reason I was more interested in taking this particular course is because I wanted to go deeper into how the body systems work. And it really helped me in being able to educate, because I was more educated, educate my clients as to why it's more important to go a more natural way to help their health and their health issues. The moment I realized that the course was really working is, and so surprising to me, is my very own family. My mom was having some digestive issues, and I was able to help her and in explaining and educating her. Through that, explaining and educating her, my brother happened to be sitting right near, and he was always a skeptic. His ears perked up, and he wanted to learn more about his own health, and how he can support his own health. So I was really surprised, and that made actually the course fully worth it, because I got through to my family, which sometimes they think I'm a little woohoo, being massage therapist for so many years, and now she's like all about natural ways to cure, and they're on board, which is like awesome. That I graduated, I am a certified naturopathic consultant, and I am proud to say that my clients are actually way more receptive to what I'm talking about as far as supplements go. And so I've a lot more confidence. I have a lot more credibility. My revenue is going up. And so therefore, I am very happy that I have completed this course, and I am looking forward to helping many more people along the way.
If you'd like to get more information about the Institute of Naturopathic Wellness and what it can do for you, just click the link below. I look forward to meeting you.